us again. We found the geode.
Rejoin the game.
Yep, a geode. My sister's favorite.
SNUBCRW.
Yep, this is the geode.
Bye lang.
Oh yeah.
Magkaano na yun, anak? Sige na po. Ganda ka sa babae?
Minsan hindi.
May lalaki?
Minsan maganda.
Lalaki?
Minsan pogi, minsan hindi. Parang minsan may uhog dito lang.
SNUBCRW.
Parang basa lagi ganito. Yan si Gino eh. Sa K-pop Demon Hunters. Boses na yan.
Oo.
Ano?
Oh no, what happened? Okay lang.
Wait. Dad!
Gio, namatay siya sa Gio. Okay lang. Kunin mo na yung Gio, anak.
Dad, teleport! You need to teleport.
Kuha ako ng gamit.
No!
Sige na po, anak. Sige na po.
No! Daddy, me!
Hi.
Kukuha lang ako ng
Pwede ka magawa ng pickaxe.
Yes, yung cobalt pickaxe.
Wag yung cobbled.
Copper?
Yes, copper lahat. Daddy, wag!
Wow!
Wag mo ibalik ate. Mawawala ng durability ng pickaxe ko.
Hello?
It's more faster to
Ay,
build house.
ma'am, pakilak ka ng
Nasa Berkeley ka na po?
Ha! Blah, 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 blah.
Pagdating niyo po sa lobby, pakisabi po para kay Cheryl Federico. Sa lobby po may guard po doon. Papaabangan ko rin po kay Ate Cheryl.
Where are you?
Okay.
Punta na ako sa'yo.
We found another geode. I don't know
Ay,
why.
ayun ako. I'll give you the pickaxe.
Okay,
There. Get it.
thanks.
Okay. Bago to?
Oh yeah. Yes. Dad. Teleport lang ako.
Where are you going?
Teleported back. But then he...
Oh no, what
What?
happened?
Where is he?
Yung, ano yun?
We just had the chance
Na
to get a trident. I found diamonds.
wow.
Look.
Ang dami ah.
Dalawa.
Tatlo?
Saan?
Tatlo yan, di ba? Kinuha mo?
Oh yeah. I thought. Daddy, ikaw dyan. Bahala dyan sa lahat ng amethyst. Ako ba? Daddy, in here!
Yes. Wait lang.
Ako
anak.
bahala na sa most of the mining. Tapos ikaw na bahala sa... I found a diamond again. But there's a creeper guarding it. Why is there so much diamonds when I found a creeper? Dad, can you go back home?
Why? Hindi natin mababalikan to. Gio.
Ay. Wait lang. I-remember mo yung coordinates ng geode. I-remember. Si Ate Phoebe na sa geode. Pwede ka bumalik. Si Ate
Ano
Phoebe
gagawin
na
ko?
sa geode. Balik ka sa house.
Bakit?
Mamatay ko muna. Para makagawa ka ng shield.
Shield?
Yes!
Bakit may shield pa?
Wala tayong shield eh.
Mamaya na muna.
Ang dami ko nakitang diamonds eh. At may creeper na guard ng diamond ko.
Wow, may pickaxe ka na?
Brighty, look! I found diamonds. Look! Look, Brighty! I found diamonds. See?
Nakuha mo na?
Tiyak.
Saan si kuya?
Tiyak.
Sige, ka. I'll help you.
No happy.
Oh no, you cannot make some wait lang.
Pink pickaxe. Yes. Pink pickaxe. Pink pickaxe. Pink pickaxe. That pink.
Nasaan ka ba, lab?
I'm here.
Punta ka dun sa world namin, okay?
No, let me here.
Sige. Pababain ko na lang po dyan si Ate Sherry.
Wait lang.
Okay, thank you.
You even found gold. Help. Ba't nag-save and quit ka, Dad?
Ay, si Brighty!
Let me.
Brighty?
Dad. Come here, my world. Come here, my world, Dad.
Ikaw pumunta sa aming world para masaya.
Yes, mas masaya nga.
Sarili kang world, Brighty. Believe ako sa'yo.
Wala pa, Dad. Hello? Can you think that's a
Wait lang. Nasaan na yung world na napuntahan natin? This one.
STRYT3R198 joined the game.
Join mo lang si ate? Oh no. I almost died there. No! I don't like creepers. I hate them. Ay. Naku. I'm dead like Larry. Why is the... Why? Oh. What me daddy do?
There!
No. What me dad say? Papa me dad.
Okay, punta ka sa akin.
Yes. Dad, pwede mo magamitan yung phone ni Bright tapos mag-craft ng shield.
Ng shield?
Yes, I totally need it. I know this is war. I know that as soon as I mine this, I know there's freaking a war. I love redstone. I hope there's diamonds. This is the biggest gold vein I've ever seen.
Pumunta ako sa'yo, yes. Don't worry.
Why is there so much resources?
SNECRWN2449
Right.
joined game.
Is that diamonds? Oh,
Hindi ako nakapag-
just copper. Why is there?
Yay! Ow! Ow! It's water!
How can I collect everything but
I'll get some,
every
kuha ko ng shield
mob
sa
in
likod.
this game?
Where are we?
Please pickaxe, break right now. You just copper.
Wow, daming natin trees, oh.
Dami?
Oh, daming trees. Di ba tayo gumagawa ng
Ano?
kuya?
Farm?
Hindi. Ikaw daw?
Item plops.
Castle.
Ay, oo nga, yung castle. Hindi pa natin nagagawa. Ay, hindi pa nga tayo nakagawa yung throne para sa castle. At hindi pa nga tayo nakagawa ng base ng castle.
Yeah, di ba?
Base yung pinakamaganda. Help!
Why, Swing? Where are you? Ayan, dyan. Where are you, Brighty?
STRYP
What's
3R3.
that?
Zero was slain by
Zombies?
drown.
Where are you? Saan ka ba pupunta?
Water zombie yung dad.
I'll cover the, daan. Well, gawin mo nga kulay pink yung daan.
Para saan?
Ito yung parang ganito.
Patingin?
Yung gano'n. Yung parang ganyan. Gusto ni Brighty yan eh.
Mag-craft kayo ng shears. Kuha kayo ng iron dun sa loob ng ano ko. Secret chest. Stash. Secret stash.
Sige, stash mo. Wait lang. I'll cover the daan lang ha. Para
I don't need
I'm your hero.
basalt.
Yaman siya lang.
Oh,
Oh no! Oh no! Nahilog ka na lang. Where are you na? Where are you?
sa ating favorite na bahala dun.
You stand. Ay, go. Stand. Jump.
Jump.
Okay. Let's go. I'll cover this one first.
Who wants to go mining with me? Me. Kahit si ate. Ate Phoebe, nasa mining spot ka na. Di ba nagpa-mine ka na?
Raining na bigla. Wait lang.
Dad, pwede mo daw gawaan si ate Phoebe ng pickaxe? Kappa?
Marami si ate. Ay, dito na. Pasok ka na.
I found diamonds!
Again? Oh.
And I found another
Yung gasin mo?
geode!
Ang galing mo naman. Ang galing mo naman.
You teleport to me. Ay, si Brighty
Asan
na lang. Ito.
Brighty, punta ka doon kay kuya.
I will teleport.
Ay, wag ka dyan kumuha. She knows the secret,
Ma'am!
You will...
Kuha tayo doon.
Hi, Brighty!
Kuha ka doon.
Get it on!
Hindi, si Brighty.
Dad, teleport ka.
Hindi pwede go.
Oh, binuhusan mo.
Ate, kuya, punta tayo kay kuya. Wait lang. May pickaxe ka ba? Meron. Yeah, pickaxe.
Hi!
Ma, sir, dad.
Yeah, Gio!
Okay. Bububi.
Nagpupo ka ng malaki?
Ate, binibidyo ko.
Ano naka-video?
Nagbe-video ako ng Hindi naman ng
Please.
Sira na ba yung axe mo? Pickaxe? God.
Dad, please.
Dami niya. Wait lang. Ay, sige po. Mag-ano lang ako dito.
Patingin!
Tingin.
Wow! Copper!
Ma'am, sorry.
Go.
Dad,
Oh, you have to wear armor, di ba?
I found diamonds again! Dad, look! I found diamonds!
Oy, axe daw.
Ate,
Axe daw.
Gagawa kita pickaxe.
Si Daddy na.
Pengen daw axe si Seth.
Si Seth o si
Si Phoebe.
Gagawa ko, wait lang.
A torch din.
May torch din ako marami.
Please.
Do I need dripstone?
Wait lang po. Kukuha ako ng gamit.
What's this?
Yes, I'll go there to you. Kukuha ako ng copper lang. Wala na akong copper eh.
Please.
Wait lang po. Wait, hindi. Kukuha tayo ng copper. Wait lang. This one.
If I just had
Yeah,
vibrant
sige po.
visuals.
Yung concrete. Okay. Wait lang. Kukuha pa tayo ng ha.
Follow. Huh? Is it lava? Yep. Oh, redstone beside lava.
Axis.
That's the most
Gagawa ko.
common thing.
Wait lang, gagawa akong copper. Copper pickaxe.
Half a heart and still going.
Ano yan?
SNUWNT 4490. We were slain by some.
Asan kasi, Phoebe? Punta ako sa Brighty ha. Ayan, thanks. Oh. Ba't nandito ako?
What is it, right? Gold! You get it! You want it?
Hindi gold yun.
Gold! Gold siya, bro.
Gold nga. Bibigyan kita axe, anak. Wait lang. Galing ni Brighty.
Ako nga.
Ayan.
Brighty, I'll give it to you. You want it?
Bis ka muna.
Yes.
Here.
Binigyan na kita.
No.
Here, Brighty.
Target.
One. You,
Axis.
1, 2.
Ayan. Kasi si Brighty.
Ako din. Pickaxe din ako.
Axis.
Ang dala masira kasi ng ano.
No, not. Axis.
Binigyan na kita, anak.
No. Daddy, no.
Tingnan mo muna yung inventory mo.
Huh?
Wait lang.
Inventory mo daw.
Check mo muna.
I'm here, Dad.
I'll go to you.
Daddy, I'm here, me.
Dad, wala naman ah.
Ha?
Walang pickaxe siya?
Wala.
Wait lang. Asan ka?
Oh. So,
There. Oh, yan.
get now.
Ito yung dalawa.
Huh?
Teleport ka kay Bright. Bigyan mo din siya sa pickaxe. Teleport ko si ikaw kay Bright.
Hindi, bababa.
Teleport ko lang si ate.
Where are you, Brighty?
Hi.
Hi, love.
Sandali.
Hi, pickaxe. Here's the pickaxe. Delivery.
Dad?
Wait, hi. There, get the pickaxe. Get the pickaxe. Nakuha mo na? Oh, use the pickaxe. Ba't iba ginagamit mo? Bakit may ano ka dito, kahoy?
No. Madad, yung shield.
Ay, yeah. Wala akong shield. Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan si Daddy?
Wait lang, kukuha ako ng wood.
Soon.
Then I'll go to the shield. Kukunin ko
Ay,
lang na.
teka, short muna isa. Ay, sorry, Pin.
Hindi pwede ikaw dito, house.
Let me go.
Yes! Yours, castle, Ate Phoebe's throne. Ate Phoebe, sa'yo yung throne, ah. Kay Bright yung castle.
Gusto niya pink castle eh. Paano ba magkakaroon ng pink castle, kuya?
Oh,
Gawa tayo ng concrete, Di ba?
wag na yung pink castle.
Ano bang...
Let me my big pink chocolate.
No galit ha. No galit.
Let me pink chocolate. Let me pink chocolate.
Probably this is enough redstone.
Punta na ako sa Kukuha ako ng
Shield.
shield.
And torches.
Let me do daddy.
Saan ka ba? Hindi, pupunta lang ako later.
STRYP301 98.
You noob! Noob si Daddy.
Di ba kailangan mo ng
I found gold. I struck gold. Stop it.
Bakit ba papadad ikaw?
STRYP303. Zero tried to swim in lava.
May other zombies pa eh.
Help! Help me!
Where are you?
Help! Daddy, help!
I critted him.
Where are you? I'll help you.
I did it!
Oh, you also did it. There's zombie here, di ba?
Why don't I just go
Oh
in?
no!
Zero was slain by some.
Noob!
Oh no. There. Oh, dami. Ayan na. I'll save you. I'll
Yung
save you.
shield ah.
Daddy, let's go. What is right? No, what is right, Daddy?
Dan!
Jump, Daddy. Jump, Daddy. Jump, just house. Jump, Daddy house. Jump, Daddy house.
What ang shield? Kailangan ni Kuya ng shield.
Jump, Daddy house. House, Daddy. Jump here, Daddy house.
Eh, nandito ako. Nandito ako.
Jeep, Daddy. What's up? Jeep here. Jump, Daddy.
At isa pang pickaxe, Dad.
I'm dead.
Where are you?
I'm here.
I found the life hack that you can actually find diamonds
Baby.
in lava.
Yay! Hack me too.
Hi! Wow!
Hi.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi,
Kuya.
Dad. Kab dito ibigay yung shield.
There. Kuha mo na?
Where?
Set. Tsaka pickaxe here.
Wait lang.
Daddy, no happy dog.
Thanks.
Daddy, no happy dog.
Ano, paano magbigay ng ano, Kuya? Numbers lang ng torch. Kuya,
Ha?
binigay ko lahat ng torch eh.
Eto na sa'yo. Ilan yung torch mo?
15.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Paano mo ginagawa? Okay na. Okay na. Sa'yo na yan.
Okay.
How to go to... Wala na tayong ano.
Ano?
May jelly dito, Kuya. Ano yung jelly?
Ito yan? Ah! Jelly yan! Ay, bakit tinawag ko doon jelly?
Pinatay ko.
Okay lang. Maganda nga pinatay mo. Kaso wala lang tayo nakakuhang slime. Slime tawag dyan. Nakakuha ka ng slime ball.
Lava. Ano?
That's the ball.
Get some lava first. Yeah. Here.
Hey, can you stop it right now, bro?
I'll go to you, Brighty, ha? We'll cook.
Just knock it off.
Kahit palubugin mo nga yung tayo.
Lumubog ba? Hindi pa?
Hindi ko pa na-check.
Lumubog ba yung pupo mo, anak? Lumubog naman daw.
Hindi yan.
Lumubog.
Finish mo ako sa...
Hi, love. Sleep tayo, sleep.
Asa na yung saklay na ginagamit ko kanina? Ay.
No name.
Yeah.
No. Please, no. No teaching. No eat. No eat, Daddy.
Yes, morning.
I saw a potato there.
Ay, sorry. I have to go down muna, ha? Gagawa tayo ng veranda. Diba?
Veranda.
Wait lang.
Sa...
Mami? Ma?
Shear some sheep and dingle
Yes.
Ma?
Yes, Daddy. Yes.
Wait lang, hindi yan. Sorry.
I'm hungry.
I'm gonna cook first. Asan yung mga...
Pali, bambaki, pali, zalim. Kinga, hinga, limba, embo, bambabi. Hinga, hi.
Don't punch me.
Do not punch me.
Hi, Lagi. Are you happy?
Kimba, si bambamba, limba, limba, limba.
That's... What is this?
Why did I put it? Stop it. Just
I'm putting some, ano?
stop it.
Press NUBCRWN244.
Ah, noob.
Noob!
Yay, I did it! Help me this.
But,
Wow.
brother! This guy
Up,
stinks.
Daddy. Happy this one, too. Bye.
I'm gonna cook this one first.
Why am I making it here? They'll just block a skeleton. Not like this.
Nom, 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 nom.
Ate Fabe, you need shield.
Ha?
Shield.
Yes.
Asan ka?
Skeleton!
Gagawa tayo ng ano na.
Separate.
I'm done.
Ah. 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 Dad. Hi. Hi, Dad. Hi, Daddy.
Man, this guy stinks.
There, nakuha mo na?
Stop! Boop!
Hindi. Bawas ka ng laman mo ng inventory.
Wait, ta?
Was it like that?
O tayong wood pa. Kailangan ni Brighty rin. Gusto na ni Brighty ng ano eh.
Happy wood. Hey,
Where's the wood?
happy wood.
Nasaan?
Happy wood.
That's not wood. That's cement.
Dad, gagawa ko tree house.
Happy wood.
Yeah.
Okay, dyan. Dad.
Down here.
Dad.
Wait lang na, wait lang. Nasaan ka na?
Yeah, brother. Look here.
Ha.
Yeah?
Ha. Dad.
Let me go.
There's no...
Saan ba? Ay, Phoebe!
STRYT3R198. 3 was slain by S.
Oh! Alam ni Bright yung super secret chest na may diamond!
Alam niya!
Ha?
Ewan ko para laman niya.
44 diamonds na tayo.
Wow! Bigyan mo yung... Ano ba maganda bigay kay Brighty?
Go.
Wow!
Go.
Ha?
Wow.
Go.
Wait. Wait.
This one, Daddy. Daddy.
You have gold!
There.
Bigyan ko shield, love.
Little Daddy.
I'll give you the shield. Gold.
Hindi mo.
Asan? Thank you, love. I'll give you shield, okay?
Sneak attack. Sneak attack.
There.
Sneak
Ayan,
attack.
ayan,
Sneak
ayan.
attack.
Get your shield. Ayan. Where your shield?
RWN24.
Where your shield?
Bleh.
This one.
Good.
Hindi pa nasuot. Wow,
Phosphorus.
still look at
Bim
yourself.
bim
Look at
bim
yourself.
bum balim bang kuga
You
kuga
have your
ging
shield.
gang. Phosphorus sing sing
Ganda,
sing.
ganda.
Bim 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 galing galing galing.
You're
Phosphorus bim balim galing 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 galing.
Wait lang, I'm gonna make some ano na.
Look here.
Phosphorus. Dad, dapat yung balcony ko nagko-connect sa balcony mo.
Gagawa tayong ba ano? Wait lang.
Oh dear. What me? Please.
Kulang na tayo ng ano, stones.
Ha. What? Ay,
ST.
You punch me.
okay, teleport. Hi, you're back.
Hi. Let me this one red.
How do you make a spyglass?
Pink.
There we So I need more copper.
Yum.
Okay.
Kay Kuya's house. Ganda ng Kuya, oh. Kay Kuya, may ano siya.
Ay,
Dad.
dahil gagawa lang ako ng spyglass. Ay, 4 na spyglass.
Dad.
Oh. Tononenon.
Daddy, I'm home.
Dad, meron ako bibigay sa'yo.
Wait lang po. May gagawa ko ng ano.
Ito, Nasa loob ng maliit na chest sa bahay ko.
Okay.
Spyglass.
Daddy, where are you?
Here. Wait lang po. Gawa-gawa lang ako ng ano ni Kuya. Here. Saan si Kuya? Hi, Kuya.
Hi. Ito spyglass, oh.
Saan, Kuya?
Tignan mo, yung ganito,
Wow. This one? Oo nga, ni spyglass, ah.
Okay.
Hi.
Daddy.
Kasi naglagay dito.
Ata.
Ate naman eh. Ganda-ganda ng bahay ni Kuya eh.
Papatayin ko ikaw, ate, tapos babalik ko ikaw doon. Ha! Yes!
Gonna make some terrace. Papunta kay Kuya.
Ako din.
Daddy.
Wait lang, gagawa si Daddy ng ano. Flying pa.
Why am I making it like this? No!
Wait. Gonna make some ano na. Whoa. Ay.
Show me Daddy.
Not... No, brother!
Yeah.
Hi.
Aquasi. Yay!
Andromeda.
Wow. Ooh. What? Yeah. Wait, we have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
big one.
Dad, break muna natin yung tree. Wala akong view.
Ha?
Wag na natin. Wag na lang.
Daming view.
Bakit?
Let's see, let's look. Gagawa tayo ng highway natin.
Dad, wait. Make tree house.
You make your tree house da?
No, what we this? No pink house. Down. Down, Daddy. Idea, Dad.
Si Brighty! Bakit nagawa ka ng tree house dyan?
What here?
Tree house.
Down, Dad. Down.
Sige, gawa ka lang dyan.
Down, Daddy. Down. No, help me pink one. No, help me dummy pink. Huh? Down.
It's like you're climbing magic. I need to put some pillars. No, why did I break?
Let me dummy pink, Dad. Dummy pink. Dummy pink
And you
one.
can actually
Gagawa ka
see.
ng sarili mong tree house.
Yes, what me dummy pink.
Oh, mag-harvest ka muna. Mag-harvest.
No, help me dummy pink.
Gawa ka sa ano?
No, help me. No, help me pink.
Wait, tignan ko lang kung meron pa ako. Here, here. Here.
What's that?
Okay, think.
Bagus ka mo ang laman.
No. I think the sign is so good.
What me stop?
Lagay mo yung chair dyan sa loob.
Okay.
Ay, chair ba ano?
What me pick?
Pink axe? Ano yung pink axe? Why did I break it? Yes! This design is great. And you can go up more stairs actually. I need a hoe. Why am I still not dying? Oh yeah. Boom!
Namatay ka.
I wanted to.
Look.
You see?
Look at our,
Hindi yan terrace! Treehouse yan!
treehouse. Ginagawa ni Brighty treehouse. Si
Ah.
Daddy, may ginagawa. Tingnan mo.
Okay, pupuntahan ko kayo.
No. Daddy, no, wow. Let me go. Mommy.
Wow! Why did you even make the stairs?
Ha?
Parang treehouse din yung stairs mo.
Yeah.
Kaso, magandang terrace. Connect ko.
Tapos,
I am Mr. Oak. Ha? What kind of ringtone is that?
whose phone is that?
Mommy? Mom.
Campfire crackles.
Ano po kay Ate Cheryl? Kay Ate Cheryl po. Pakihanap po dyan sa Lami High School. Palabasin ko rin po yung message.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you po.
I need to put a door here.
Let me pinka. You have. Let me my pinka.
I need a vertical slab actually.
Let me pinka.
Wala kong pinto, anak.
No, happy pinka. No, let me pinka. Wait. Daddy.
Me.
Si ate daw may pink door.
This pinka.
Go.
Ayo.
Why did I just fall down to the abyss?
No, let me pinka. Pink. No pink.
Where are the stones natin? Magagawa pa ako kay Daddy.
Let
Ate,
me
ate.
pink at the pink.
Pink daw, ate.
Mayroon pink.
Wait at the dam. Wait here, pink. Here. At the dam, look, pink.
Why do I have vibrant memories?
Right here, pink dad. Daddy,
What? Where's the
here,
vibrant
Daddy.
memories handbook?
Look, that is my pink dad.
Okay. Wait. Because, wait lang, anak. Kasi puno na ikaw, anak. So, you have to get it. Ganun. Hoy! Nasaan na?
Da.
Ate!
Da.
No,
Nasaan, anak? Nasaan?
tree house.
Nasaan na? Nilagay na ni ate. There, oh. Okay,
Look,
sige.
it's mine. This
Where can
mine.
they even parkour?
This is my house. Look this.
Pumunta ako kay kuya, kuya, yung stone cutter mo, ibig sabihin 1:1?
Ha?
1:1 yun?
Ano yun? Yung 1:1.
Kunyari, 1 cutter, 1
Ano?
1 stone. Ganun pala yun. Pero kapag sa crafting table,
Yes.
okay, that's the purpose of that.
Mas lesser materials kailangan mo.
Ha?
No, happy tummy.
Galing ah.
No, happy tummy pink.
Good idea yun ah.
No, happy tummy pink, Dad.
Dami yan.
Compromise. Okay. Oy, ate, wag mo yan kuhain. Wait. Pink. Okay.
Look at it, me pink. Pink, this one. Look at it. Look at it.
Wait lang. Magbawas ka.
Huh?
Magbawas ka. Here. Di ba? Dapat magbabawas ka. Here. Tapos, yung ayaw mong lagay. Meeting. This one. Ilagay mo kasi dun sa ano. Ilagay mo dun, love, sa...
Huh?
Lagay natin muna sa... This one. Taguan natin. Yung mga hindi mo kailangan. Kunyari, this one.
What's that?
Okay, this is ours. Wait lang pa, meron pa. Coal. This one.
We do that.
Meron pa. Bawas pa tayo ng iba. Here.
Okay.
Okay. Tapos,
And just do that.
lalagay ko yung blue bed dyan.
No? Come.
Carry mo na yung blue bed ko, lagay mo dun sa tree house mo na ginagawa.
No, yours.
Our tree house.
Okay.
Oh, sunog ako.
This yours.
Saan? Sa fireplace ko?
Oo.
No, this one. Walking. What me pink?
Kunik mo na, kuya?
What me pink?
Malapit na.
Yeah.
This one.
Dati ko yung design ko kung paano ako nagko-connect.
I'm seeing you man eh. Wait lang. Inaano ko lang. Inaayos ko lang din yung akin. Para, ano, same tayo.
No, what me pink?
What happened?
Yes, blue. Yes. What me pink? What me pink there?
There. Saan ka na?
Right here. What me daddy pink?
Gusto ni Brighty, dadaanan natin yung pink na ano. Huwag mo sirain, love. Yung pink na...
Sleeping through this night.
Good morning.
Morning.
What me daddy pink? Tell me dear. Dear, what me daddy pink? Daddy, what me daddy pink?
NUBCRWNT4490 Dreams blown up by creeper.
Wala pa akong pink na ano.
Dear, what me daddy pink?
I don't have pink.
You have me pink.
Fire aspect. Man, this guy is pink.
Mama!
Why a baby zombie wearing full chainmail?
Wow.
Oh, I got chainmail.
Meh!
Wala akong armor. Oh.
Ha?
You have a nice view! Ganda.
Dad, pwede mo na i-connect sa akin. Dad.
Ah.